Hi guys and girls, my name is Patrick. I'm in crypto for over 4 years by now, and I would like to turn you into a Solana yield farming pro. We will see if we can achieve this, but this is my ambition. We will start with the first episode on how to get Sol. A brief introduction onto how we get Sol, a brief introduction about different exchanges, and then we will go into the details into the demo, and I will show you how to get your first Sol. Okay, okay. We will first take a look at the different exchanges. We will focus on the main ones, so Binance, Coinbase, and FTX. And then I will show you how to buy Sol and how to withdraw Sol. Yeah, we will start pretty basic with Binance. Binance is the behemoth in the space. Roughly 14 billions of 14 billion dollars of volume each and every day. CZ is the CEO of the platform. The fees are super low, roughly 0.1%. They list about 410 coins, and as you can see, they offer the on-ramp of about 46 fiat currencies, so you should have a good starting point. I use Binance quite often. Coinbase is the next one, volume, 24-hour volume, roughly $3 billion. Brian Armstrong is the CEO of Coinbase. His nickname is also Eggman, and you can take a guess why. The fees are roughly 0.5%, it depends. They list about 140 coins, and they on-ramp and off-ramp just for 3 fiat currencies. And the last one is FTX. Sam Bankman-Fried, take a look at him, really awesome, interesting guy. I think he's roughly 30 or so. He's a multi-billionaire. He comes from a trading background, and you are really in good hands if you go to FTX when you want to trade a lot. As you can see, the fees are super low. They list a lot of coins. And yeah, the fiat on-ramps and off-ramps are also quite broad. And yeah, this is basically the 3 exchanges where I made good experiences with. And yeah, we will now take a look at how you can buy and withdraw Sol. We will take a look at Binance, Coinbase, FTX, and yeah, let's just jump into it, right? Okay, perfect. So we will start off with Binance, and after you created an account on Binance and you did some verification, this is your login screen, and yeah, there are different ways to trade on Binance, but we will take a look at the most basic one. So if you head over to Trade, and then you click on Classic, you will get to this view basically. And this view is, yeah, give it a second. So this view is basically the order book of Binance, and here you can make trades. So you can buy and sell your cryptocurrencies. You see they have a lot of markets going on right here. And we want to trade Sol, so we will type in Sol, and we will buy it with BNB for now because I don't have USDT and other things on my accounts. We will click on Sol BNB, and now we have different opportunities. So you can see I do have about 4.4 BNB right now on my account, and we can put in limit orders and market orders and stop limit and stuff like this. But for now we will just want to buy $100 roughly worth of Sol. So yeah, we will click on market. I don't care much right now about the limit. We will just make a market buy. So market buy goes through rather instantly. So we will just take a look. We can change how much BNB we will spend, how much Sol we want to buy. So Sol is roughly at about $167 right now. So we will roughly buy. Let's just say half a Sol. So we will type in 0.5 Sol, and as you can see, this will take roughly about yeah, this will take roughly about 3% of my BNB. So we will just go on buy Sol for now, and then you can see market buy filled, and now you can see we have an available balance of 0.5 Sol in our account. So now we bought Sol, and at the next step we will take a look at how to withdraw Sol. Okay, perfect guys. Now that we have our Sol, let's take a look at how to withdraw our Sol. And actually it's super simple. Just go to Wallet, Fiat and Spot, and if you click there, you will get to this view. And in this view you can see that we have our 0.5 Sol. And if we click on withdraw right here, we get to this view. And this view is also quite simple. There you can take a look at your coin. We choose the Solana coin. I've put in an address, and the address you just get it from your Phantom. We will take a look at Phantom in an upcoming video, but basically, yeah, this is the Phantom wallet, And as you can see, we have nothing in this Phantom wallet right now. This is the address. Just click on it, copy to clipboard, and then you see the address in here. Just compare the first 4 and the last 4 characters right now. It matches. Then we chose the Solana network, spot wallet, and then you can see we will receive 0.49 Sol. We have to pay 0.01 Sol network fees, and then we can basically withdraw them. So yeah, just click on withdraw, and then you will get a small pop-up. Here you can have to basically continue, and I won't do this for now because you just need to enter your Google authentication. You do need to confirm it via mail and also via SMS. So this is at least my security standards. So yeah, just click on continue, and then you are able to withdraw your Sol. Yeah, I won't do this for now. I will just show you how it looks like when the Solana is at our wallet. Okay, perfect guys. So now let's take a look at Coinbase. So I deposited 100 euros on Coinbase, as you can see. And there are basically 2 different Coinbase. Let me explain real quick. So the first one is coinbase.com. It is more for the beginners. It has a really simple user interface, but you have to pay a little bit more fees. And then there is pro.coinbase.com, and you have to pay a little bit less fees. I will help you with it, how to use it, so you can use it as well. If you log into pro.coinbase.com, you click on select market, and then you will type in your pair that you want to buy. For me it's the Sol Euro, and I already did this. So as you can see, 100 euros, and yeah, I do have 0.0259 Sol on my account. But we will do basically the following. We will go on market buy, so we don't put in limit orders, we will go market buy. We will click max, and then we will get a place buy order, and yeah, as you can see, we have to pay 50% in fees. We click on buy order, and then there is success. As you can see, we bought it, and now if we take a look, we do have our Sol. Okay, and now if you want to withdraw your Sol, it's quite simple. You just head over, you click on portfolios, and I already did this because it loads a little bit, and then you get over to this view. On this view you see your whole balance of your assets on Coinbase. You just click on withdraw, you just choose Sol, and then you have the opportunity to choose between a crypto asset, a crypto address, so you can transfer your funds to your wallet, for example, and this is what we want. Or you could also transfer your funds to the coinbase.com. In this case, we want to transfer our to crypto address. We just click on crypto address. We just will now pick the address from our Phantom wallet, and we take the address. We copy it to clipboard. We just put in the Solana address, and yeah, we just compare the first 4 digits and the last 4. We use this address. We click on max, so we want to withdraw max here. We want to withdraw basically everything. And as you can see, the network fees for the withdrawal are quite low. So for now it's yeah, how many zeros are those? 5. So 5 zeros, 5. You have to multiply this with the current Sol price. So for this by now, the current Sol price is at the roughly 137 euros. So those are cents that we have to pay in order to make a withdrawal. But yeah, we just click on withdrawal, and then we need to run through a pretty similar process that we did on Binance. And I won't show you this for now. I will do it, and then I will show you how those, how much of those 0.747954999 Sol we receive on our balance. So yeah, okay, perfect. So we're now logged into FTX, and I deposited about 100 USDC of USDC basically to make a buy. So yeah, if you head over to FTX, you just click on spot because you want to buy on the spot market. Spot market means basically that we buy it from someone else, so it's a so to speak real Sol which gets transferred. No derivative, no stuff like this, just the real Sol. So yeah, we head over to Sol USD, like I said. Then we head over to the right side. We choose the market order, and again we want to buy everything that we have. So like I said, I deposited 100 USDC, and then we see okay, and this will give us roughly about 0.64 Sol. So we will now make a buy for now. We just click buy, order placed, and now we see that we have our Sol in a second. As you can see, Sol balance total 0.64. Okay, if we do now want to withdraw our Sol, it's pretty straightforward. Just at the bottom here, we click on withdraw, then this pop-up will open up. I already copy pasted the address in my clipboard, so we will just put the address in here. We click on max, and now we have to enter the Google Authenticator two-factor authentication, and then we see how much fee we have to pay. I will pause this for now, and I will show you how much Sol of those 0.64 we actually received in our wallet. See you in a second. Okay, perfect. So the withdrawal went through. As you can see, our balance has increased a little bit. If you want to take a look at the transactions, yeah, we see we got the whole 0.64 Sol, so no withdrawal fees. And yeah, just let's recap real quick. So we took a look at the most common platforms. We took a look at Coinbase, Binance, and FTX. We took a look at how to buy Sol with your fiat currencies. And after that, we took a look at how to withdraw your cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions whatsoever, jump into our Discord, post a comment. I'm here to help you. We are here to help you. Two last remarks. The first one is if you want to support this channel, you will find a quick referral link in the button below. So you will support the channel that in the case that you make a transaction or so, we will get paid a little bit tiny extra of that, but you will also get a roughly 5% deduction of your fees, so it's could be quite worth for you depending on what you want to achieve. And the second note is in our next episode we will take a look at how to set up your Phantom wallet, how to install it, everything like this. And guys, see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye bye.